So I've set up a gorgeous bubble bath here, and the kittens are trying to find a way to take a look at this strange thing called the bubble bath for the first time. So made it really accessible for them, and they've had a couple of looks already and backed away a little. And Smudgeee, she's usually the first one to stick her paws in the bath, but she's definitely averted the bath at this stage of the game. Do I need to get in the bathtub to show you guys that this is completely normal? Look, see? It's the same bath as usual. Look, see? Look, it's the same bathtub. It's just got these cool things called bubbles. See? See, Smokey? You see, it's the same thing. See, it's just called bubbles. See, Mommy always has to go first sometimes to show the babies that it's just the same as usual. Yes, Merle, see how cute they are. They all want to spend time with Mommy by the bathtub. Come, Smudgeee. Come, Smudgeee. I know that you're the most adventurous of them all when it comes to the bath. So let's show everybody. Oh! Wow, goatee! You're actually, I didn't expect it would be you. Of all the kittens. Oh, you guys are so cute. Oh, look at that, Smokey. What's the bubbles? Look at the bubbles. Look at the bubbles. What's that? Oh, how cool. How cool is that? Oh, look at the bubbles. See, they're so brave. My kittens are so brave. Look at the bubbles. Look at the bubbles. It's cool, right? Sorry, I'm busy chewing a plum here. So hopefully you can't hear at the same time. Here comes Smokey. It's funny, I can see his reflection on the bubbles. What do you think of that, Smokey? What do you think of that? Look at the bubbles. Look. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that, Smokey? What's that? What's that? Oh, there comes Smudgelet. Look. Alright. You guys are a hoot. What's that? It's the bubbles. It's bubblicious. Now don't go falling into the bath. I don't need wet bubbly kittens and cats running around the house. Wow, Gertie, this is the closest I've seen you to the bath in forever. Oh, there comes a feel. Oh, you're brave. What's that? What's that? Oh, so brave. Such a brave Smudgeee. Such a brave Smudgeee. You guys are so brave. You guys are so brave. Oh, so cute. Such brave kittens. Such brave kittens. Earth. So brave. You just like the smell, don't you? Look at you. Hey, goatee. Yes. What's next What's next on the agenda? There's my cutenesses. Oh, so cute. Oh, there goes the feel. There goes the feel in the bathtub. You are so brave. Yes, you are. Such a brave kitten. What do you think? Hey, Smudgelet. There's Mommy's feet. Are you just looking for Mommy's feet? Yes. Here's Mommy's feet. Yes. What's this? Oh, so cool. Oh. What is this? That's it, is it, boss? Oh. Oh, he sees. See? Such a brave kitten. Check at that, see? See, people? Look at that. All the way in the bathtub. See what I'm talking about? Look at that. All the way in the bath. See, this cat ain't afraid of water, I'm telling you. I just wanted to see if she would do it in the bubbles. Look. Oh, look at that. Oh, check it. Check it. Even in the bubbles. Wow, Smudgeee. You're such a brave kitty. There you are. Such a brave kitten. So I have to do this again. Get in the bath with my clothes on. What? So here we go. See what I have to do for the YouTube fans, the YouTube viewers. See, just so they can get a better view. Don't drink it though. No drinking. No drinking. Yes, look at that, people. Did you see that view? That was a perfect view. No drinking. No drinking, Smudgelet. No drinking. No drinking. Look at that, eh? Oh, I'm full on in the water. She loves the water. No drinking. No. You can't drink this water, okay? This is not water that you get to drink. No. Because this has got bubbles in it. Yes, I know you like to drink. Ow! Yeah, you got my toe that time. Wow, hey? Did you ever think that cats would love the water so much? Oh my gosh, Smudgeee, you're like practically all the way in the bath. Are you crazy? Are you like a crazy kitten? You'd like to practically be in the bath with Mommy. Yes, you crazy thing. Crazy. Yes, you're crazy. Crazy Smudgeee. Crazy Smudgeee. Yes. Crazy Smudgeee. Oh, so cute. Okay. Yes, you crazy kittens. Oh, wow. Hey, I've never seen her this deep in the water. Oh my gosh, she's like lying in the water. She is lying in the water. That is crazy. You are crazy. You are a crazy kitten. Yes, you are crazy. You are just a crazy cat. I swear on my life, Smudgeee. She likes it, hey? How crazy is that? Crazy, I tell you. Anyway, I'm running out of time. Hope you enjoyed Kittens in the Bubble Bath. Catch you later.